Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys requested to make a video on how to add intro to our YouTube videos, so let's get started. For this purpose I'll be using iMovie, which is a free video editor. You can edit your videos for free and you can upload it to YouTube. So let's get started. So we are coming to our file here, or file menu. Here on iMovie, we are coming to file, and then we just go to open library, and then new. We just select new from here and save as. Let's name our project intro to videos. We are to save it. You can give a location, or it will be in movies. So let's put it on the movies. Save. Okay, so now whatever we do here, it will be saved on our movie folder. So let's go drag and drop our intro first here. So we'll be just going here. I have my intro here. So this is the intro. Let's play it. This is the intro. It's how it will look like. So now we want to add our video. That's how we can edit our videos. So let's go drag and drop our video file. Just click here and go to your file, drag and drop. Let me find a video clip. Let me go here, and you can drag and drop it in both places, here or there. Let me just put it here. Okay, so let me just bring it closer. And now once we play our intro, so let's play it. You can see it will be just, so this was our intro, and now we are going to our video. That's how we are adding our intro to our videos, and the same thing is with outros. That's how you will add our outros to our videos. I hope you like my videos. I will have more on iMovie. There is a lot that you can do with iMovie. And let me go here. Let me just introduce this area of the iMovie. So in this area you have my media, which is like your intro and files. You have the audio. You can adjust all of your audio for your clip from here. The titles, you can add different titles to your videos. Let me try one. Let me go here and bring it here, and you can see its title. Just double click here and learn intro adding. Okay, so now you can see, you can just like drag and drop it here, and let's play it, how it's looking like now. See, learning intro adding. This is how you put the title to your videos. And we have the background, so you can add different backgrounds on your video from here. The iMovie is a good tool for editing. It's free. And let me add a background also here. Okay, so now you can see, once you're here, let's play it. See, you'll get this background. That's how it will look like. And then we have the transitions. So you can put different transitions among your clips. Let's see here that we just joined our intro with our clip. Let me put a transition here in between the two clips, so it will be it will give a transition from once it's jumping from one video to other. So let us go here, just bring it here. So now we brought our transition here. This is our intro and this is our video. So let's play. let's play it here, and you will see a transition here, how this effect and how the video will start. See, you saw the transition. Let me reverse it. Yeah, that's how you can put different transitions to your video from here. And I hope you like my videos. Please let me know what else you want me to make videos on, and I'll have the link down in the description for this iMovie, so you can download it for free and you can use it. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.